What up though? This is your girl Philimena. It's been a minute since I checked in, but we are in for a 2019 Real Talk with Philimena. So I'm fresh off a photo shoot. By the time this gets out, the news is already broken that I'll be hosting the living room every Friday night until dry season is over. So if you're in Liberia, if you're visiting Liberia, come join me. Friday nights at the rooftop at Royal Grand Hotel. I'm back with my Liberian girl wine glass with my favorite Frontera, looking for a sponsorship this year. And a lot of you have been asking where I've been. Great story, and I'm gonna get to that soon. But first, you already know, a wine break. Just gets better. Like, I know it's $5 wine, but a lot of people have been asking me, where have you been? I've been waiting for an episode. So, you know, life gets in the way. But did I have an interesting end of 2018? So as many of you know, I went on vacation to America in June and July, well, May to July. And I had a revelation that I'm never moving back, or not for the time being. Great time seeing my friends and family, but I feel like this is where I need to be. And every moment I was there, I loved spending time with my friends and family, but I longed to be back in Liberia. As soon as I got back, Liberia welcomed me with a flood. I'm sure if you follow me, you saw that we had immense flooding, and the car that picked me up from the airport flooded through the doors. And if you did it, you can check it out here. To chronicle this, because I do a vlog. This is our sweet, sweet welcome back to Liberia. So yeah, Liberia welcomed me back in the only Liberian way it can. It's a love-hate relationship, and it continues to be. A lot of people are wondering where I've been, why I haven't been putting out content as much as I was. So 1 week after getting back from the US, I became ill. And a week later, I'm still not well, and I decided to go to the hospital, which was quite a bit of an adventure. I want to say shout out to my friend and savior, Jesus. Most of you know him. He's our medical doctor friend who just graduated from medical school. He came to my bedside and he helped me out a lot. Long story short, we all know this, the healthcare in Liberia is not up to standards. I was very ill. I was allergic to a lot of the medication that was given to me, and I wasn't getting the right answers, so I decided to go to Ghana. And sure enough, I was much sicker than they could find here in Liberia. I basically ate some contaminated seafood, and there is a bacteria called H. pylori that you can contract from contaminated seafood, and it causes stomach ulcers. So I spent 2 months in Ghana right after coming back, and then I returned to Liberia in October, and before you knew it, it was Christmas. So I'm trying to get back in the swing of things, and something else happens. I go out to help one of my friends to be the behind the scenes photographer for her photo shoot. One sunny Saturday at about 1 p.m., we were on the bridge going across to Bushrod Island. Very lively afternoon. There were people walking on the footpath where we were. The police were at the intersection where Waterside and Central Bank are. There's traffic as usual. You can't ever get across without going through major traffic. I was behind everyone doing the behind the scenes photo, and I got attacked in broad daylight. Like broad daylight, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Listen, I know everybody's gonna be like, but where was everyone at? This attack happened in 15 seconds, and let me break it down for you. And also, we have an account from Arshel, who was there, who witnessed everything. So let her explain what happened in her view.
We was on the street. And I said 3, 2, 1, and I turned, and this guy was on top of Royda grabbing her camera, and the Detroit came out of her because she said, I was not letting go of this camera.
Not today, Satan.
She was kicking him. I never seen nobody fight a Zoko. I'm proud of my cousin that you're named
Hey! So I literally found every cent of my Detroitness in me. Also shocked, because why would somebody attack me in broad daylight? And I fought back, not knowing this probably was not the smartest thing to do, but it was instinct. And you'll see right here in this photo, my camera actually caught the moment that me and this mugger, attempted mugger, tried to snatch my camera. You can see my legs on the ground, and there's fingers in the lens. He pushed me down, he kicked me, we had a little scuffle. He didn't win. Our shell screamed, rogue, rogue, rogue. He ran away. I walked away with, you know, a couple bruises, some scratches, some broken nails, and more of a scared soul. My hands were shaking, and we decided to start taking shots of rum, so that helped a lot. So I'm not gonna say that I'm done with vlogging. I'm definitely more careful. I am trying not to make this experience change my view of Liberia. I understand that the economy is definitely in a very fragile state, and I still don't even blame this individual for what he did. You know, desperate times call for desperate measures. I love what I do. I love bringing you guys the views that you love, the places, the events, the activities, and I want to take this thing to the next level in 2019. So for all of you who comment constantly that you wish I could go here and you wish I could do this, and I need you guys to understand. Every trip, every moment you step out of your house in Liberia is an adventure. So the reasons I'm not going to these very obscure places is because logistics are hard. And when I started this thing, I honestly didn't think anybody would be watching. And now it's turned into a thing. And now I want to do more, and you guys want me to do more. So I'm taking Philimena.com in a upward direction this year. I need all of your support. Share, share, share. The biggest thing is subscribe. Subscribe and share my YouTube videos. That's how we're gonna get Liberia to the top. One thing that was very unexpected for me was when I started this thing and how many people contact me about wanting to support me. I never thought that that would be a thing. I thought this would be a hobby for me, and I never expected it to get to this level. I am revamping my website. You'll see so much more happening on my website outside of my YouTube page. For the Decemberies this year, we're gonna have special packages, special offers, so stay tuned for that. But I will be launching a rebranding of my site this spring 2019, and I will be adding an option to donate. And just so you know, this donate button is not going to my wardrobe, because this is provided by Shop Bombshell, Mango Rags, Cam Johnson Road. Oh, but it will be linked to logistics, gas, lodging, travel. I hope that I continue to carry all of my viewers from the past years to 2019. Thank you for sticking through, waiting for me to launch episodes. I love that I can make these videos and you guys actually come and visit the places that I have featured, and you know, interact with the people that I have done videos with. It's so important. Again, we are the ones that will rebuild our country. Invest locally and build Liberia. I believe in that motto so much. Again, I just want to say thank you for everyone who tunes in and listens to me babble in front of this camera for 10, 20 minutes. I appreciate all of you so much, and I will be checking in sooner than later. Please take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Tune in.